Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caitlin and I run Little Women Creations here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And today I'm gonna go to Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. My partner is a US soccer referee, and so he has a big game today that he's a fourth official on. It's the highest game he has refereed. So I'm gonna go pick up a coffee. I brought my crochet bag with me so you can see all the goodies in there. And I'm just gonna do a little crochet along, come crochet and hang out with me. So we'll grab a project, grab a cup of coffee or a glass of water, and let's get going. So I'm at the game. My partner forgot to tell them that I was coming, so they won't let me in, which is fine. I'm not allowed to buy a ticket from them because you cannot, as a soccer referee, pay and support either team. So I found a nice bench. I went and grabbed a towel from my car so that I don't have the yarn on the bench at all. Some bugs on it, but see, the field's over there. My partner is through these trees. So yeah, I also spilled coffee on my shirt on the way over. It's great so far. It's a great Saturday. But I'm gonna get started on this top, and hopefully he comes over during half to let me in, so otherwise I'm not going to get any pictures of it. But it's a really nice day out. The sun was out, but cloudy. I don't think it's supposed to rain. We'll make the most of it. It'll be fun. Hello, I'm just checking in. I'm still at the bench outside. I was gonna try and go in during half, but they've had someone at the gate the entire time. So maybe once he leaves, I'll just walk in. That's fine. I don't mind my setup, it's kind of nice, but I do have to use the bathroom. But I don't want to have to pack it anyway. It's fine. I'll show you guys where I'm at on my project. So I'm only a couple inches into it. It's about 11.5 inches long. I'm going for 12.5 to 13 inches up. But it's really pretty so far. I'm absolutely loving these colors. Yeah. It's really cool. Fun, like I said, little setup. It's fine. Everything's fine. Alright guys, so I finished the top. As you can see, it's one of those diamond tops. This is a size small. I am a consistent size medium, so it's very small on me, but I wanted to show you guys the concept of it, the idea. Really loving these colors, as you can see, but I was able to do this all in one day. I followed the pattern that It's Erin B posted. Try and show you here. The back, it's just a simple tie, and then it ties up by my neck. I don't know, I really actually like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I like the stripes with my chest especially. It gives it a really cool curve. But I hope the girl that ordered it loves it. I really love these colors. So cute. But again, way too small on me. It does cover my girls actually pretty nicely, but I definitely would need to make it a little longer all the way around. But yeah, thanks for watching my video today. Let me know down below what you think about this halter style top and the diamond. It was popular I think a year and a half ago. Kylie Jenner had a diamond top on. But yeah, thanks so much, guys. I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Peace.